Hi guys, next video, just want to quickly show you what we're doing today. So, got the glass delivered from Van Pimps. This is for the passenger side sliding door. It's going to be an opening window. We've also got the same for the driver's side, but not opening because we're going to have a shower cubicle behind it, so it's pointless. So we're going to cut these, the holes out in the van, get these windows installed, and once it's all done, we'll show you what it looks like. So this is what we're doing at the moment. This panel here, behind me, this will all get cut out today, and the window will go in. That's an opening window. So we'll show you when it's all done. So guys, sorry, I've just realized at the time of editing that I actually didn't film the window complete and fitted in place. So this video that I'm currently recording is actually a little while later. As you can see, the van's in prep work, we're getting some body work done. So here's the window all installed. It looks really good. It's an opening, it's a sliding window, allows nice ventilation. Anybody planning on tackling this job, it's really straightforward, pretty much anybody can do it. We used an air saw to cut the hole out, but a jigsaw would have been fine. It was really easy to cut it actually, and make sure the surface is clean, prime it, apply the adhesive, push it in place. During installation, after the window was pushed in, we just masked off, left some masking tape in place overnight, came in the morning, it was absolutely fine. So it's a nice install, it's gone in really well. As you can see, I'll show you down here. So if anybody is thinking of tackling this job, very straightforward. I'll just show you what it looks like from the inside as well quickly. Ignore the mess because there's quite a bit going on at the moment. So I'm inside the van, and there you go. That's what it looks like on the inside. So you can release the window from there, slide it. It's a safety mechanism, so it does lock in place. So yeah, really straightforward. Obviously, once it's all done, the van will probably board round here and put some curtains on or blinds. Not decided that yet, but hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe because there's quite a bit coming in the van build. Thanks, guys.